people, so this is my fifth video of the day, and in this video I am going to review this book called One Up on the Wall Street by Peter Lynch. I think I've reviewed this book earlier, but it's there are certain business books, yeah, like investment, investing. Uh, for some reason, financial literacy is not something that uh, women in particular, like I mean, people in terms, you can find the most well educated, most highly qualified people, but they don't know a thing about investing, about money, about so for me, buying a book like this was that one step in this direction, that I should know something about investing. And they say, no, after a point, make money grow for you, make money work for you. That's the phrase. So yeah, if you want to learn some very little known secrets about how to invest in the stock market and all, One Up on the Wall Street is the book for you. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.